Assalamualaikum, very good evening. This is Rizan Rauno. I'm 13 years old. I'm studying class 8 in Putegal High School and I'm also a student of Mohsin Smart Learning English. Now I'm gonna talk about how to use a dictionary. A dictionary is one of the most important things for a foreign language learner. It is a collection of words. It lists the words of a language and gives necessary information about them. It tells us about the spelling, pronunciation, meaning, and parts of speech of words. A dictionary also gives the synonyms and the anti-synonyms of a word. Parts of speech are also shown. A verb is always given in the simple present tense, but the past and the past participle forms of a verb are also shown. The words in a dictionary are presented in alphabetical order. Again, the words starting with the same letter are also arranged one after another in alphabetical order in the dictionary. To find the odd words with a letter, we need to look at the words at the top of the page. I find the dictionary very helpful to improve my English. When I read my English book, very often I find some words whose meaning is not unknown to me. In the case, I go on with my reading and underline the unknown words. Then I find out the meaning of those unknown words from the dictionary. I think a dictionary is very useful to enrich vocabulary as well as to have a good command over the target language. Thank you.